Imagine standing in a tomb thousands of years old, where the colors still shine with the vibrancy of ancient times. These stunning murals have survived for millennia, but what you might not know is that their survival may be due to a deadly secret: arsenic. In the dry deserts of Egypt, where heat and moisture could destroy art in days, a unique solution emerged. Arsenic, a highly toxic compound, was used by ancient artisans to protect their masterpieces from decay and insect damage. Modern scientists, analyzing pigments from ancient Egyptian tombs, have discovered traces of arsenic in the paint layers. This finding has changed our understanding of how the Egyptians preserved their art for eternity. The use of arsenic was not accidental. It was a deliberate and sophisticated method of preservation. This highlights the advanced knowledge of ancient Egyptian chemistry and their ability to manipulate natural elements for practical purposes. Despite the dangers, the Egyptians used arsenic with precision, ensuring that it protected the artwork without compromising the aesthetic quality of the paintings. This remarkable balance of beauty and science defines their artistic legacy. Arsenic compounds, such as realgar and orpiment, were widely used in ancient Egypt due to their bright colors and unique properties. These pigments not only created striking visuals, but also acted as powerful preservatives. The arsenic in these pigments created a hostile environment for insects and fungi. This meant that the artwork could survive for centuries without being eaten away by decay or insect infestation. Unlike modern preservatives, which can fade or damage the artwork over time, the arsenic in the paint provided long-term protection without altering the color or texture of the paintings. The Egyptians understood the chemical behavior of arsenic and how it could be applied in thin layers. This careful application ensured that the artwork remained both beautiful and protected. This method of using arsenic for preservation was not only innovative, but also highly effective. It speaks to the Egyptians' deep understanding of chemistry and material science long before these fields were formally recognized. Arsenic was not only used for its preservative properties, but also for its vivid red and yellow hues. These colors were essential in creating the dramatic scenes and religious imagery that filled the tombs of ancient Egypt. The use of arsenic-based pigments allowed artists to create a wide range of colors that were otherwise difficult to achieve. This made their artwork stand out and remain visually striking for thousands of years. Modern researchers have found that the arsenic pigments used in ancient Egypt were some of the most stable and long-lasting materials available. This made them an ideal choice for artwork intended to outlast generations. The discovery of arsenic in ancient Egyptian art has led to a deeper appreciation of their craftsmanship and scientific knowledge. It has also prompted a reevaluation of how we view the materials used in ancient art preservation. This revelation has changed the way art historians and scientists study ancient artwork, proving that even the oldest civilizations had advanced knowledge of materials and chemistry. While the use of arsenic in ancient Egyptian art was a marvel of preservation, it also posed significant risks. The toxic nature of arsenic meant that the artisans who worked with it faced serious health hazards. Long-term exposure to arsenic can cause severe health problems, including skin damage, respiratory issues, and even death. Yet, despite these dangers, the Egyptians continued to use it in their artwork. The ancient Egyptians may have been aware of these risks, but their need to preserve their art and religious symbols outweighed the dangers. This speaks to the importance of art in their culture and society. Despite the risks, the use of arsenic proved to be one of the most effective methods of preserving artwork in the ancient world. It allowed the art to endure for millennia, far longer than any other known preservation technique at the time. This balance of risk and reward highlights the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptian people, who were willing to take great risks to ensure the survival of their cultural heritage. modern technology has allowed scientists to analyze ancient Egyptian art in ways that were previously impossible. Advanced imaging techniques have revealed the presence of arsenic in many of these paintings, confirming their use as preservatives. These discoveries have led to a better understanding of the materials and methods used by ancient Egyptians. It has also sparked interest in how these techniques can be applied in modern conservation efforts. One of the most surprising findings is that arsenic was used not only in wall paintings, but also in jewelry and other decorative items, suggesting that it played a broader role in ancient Egyptian society. This widespread use of arsenic indicates that it was not only a tool of preservation, but also a symbol of power and status. Only the wealthiest and most influential individuals could afford such toxic, yet beautiful materials. The use of arsenic in ancient Egyptian wall paintings is a testament to their advanced knowledge of chemistry and their commitment to preserving their art for eternity. This practice has left a lasting legacy that continues to captivate and inspire people today. Modern scientists and historians have come to appreciate the ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians, who used toxic substances not only for decoration, but also for protection. This shows a remarkable blend of art and science. The discovery of arsenic in these ancient paintings has opened new avenues of research, leading to a deeper understanding of how ancient civilizations preserved their cultural heritage. It has also sparked interest in applying similar techniques to modern conservation. Today, the use of arsenic in ancient art is not only a fascinating historical curiosity, but also a reminder of the dangers and benefits of using toxic substances in creative and practical applications. As we continue to study and preserve ancient art, the lessons learned from the use of arsenic in Egyptian wall paintings will help us protect these treasures for generations to come.